Hi guys, remember when Electronic Arts were so evil? Remember when Electronic Arts made good games? Realm of Impossibility! This was cool, man. Just when I was going to read out the year. Yeah, Electronic Arts distributed this or whatever, published. Basically the idea is you control a little guy and you got to go through this realm, through each, very basic graphics, through each stage. There we go, 1984. You go through each stage and you have to avoid the snakes and zombies and get the key and get out. And that's why it's called the Realm of Impossibility, because the last level, the last one that you unlock is called the Realm of Impossibility. So we're going to take a look at that. Right. So you got the 13 dungeons of Wistrick the Evil. Okay, so some are automatically locked, like the Realm, and the ones that are unlocked have keys in them that unlock the locked levels as you beat them. So I'm just going to start first level. Writing's hard to read sometimes. Can Kayaka keep? I think I said that right, whatever. We're going to do that one. Loading. So yeah, 84. Fuck. This game's 24 years old, man, that's freaky. So there I am, the blue guy, and the joystick's in the wrong port. There we go. So yeah, so you move around, and when you press fire, you drop crosses, you know, to try and stop whatever's chasing you. They understand on the screen a while. Yeah, I love it. They wave on the first screen. See, it doesn't wave now. And yeah, see those two zombies are after me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. There we go. Stop them in their tracks, mate. See, if they touch you, you see that flash? It slowly drains your health. And what I've just picked up there is a spell that you can use. By pressing the letters on the keyboard, like F, I'm pretty sure, is freeze, if you've got a freeze spell. Okay, so there's the key. So hard to get through that screen without touching one of those orbs. That's what they're called. Oh mate, I've still got the touch. Ah! As soon as you say it, you get hit. And then you go up, and that's it. You win! Right, so that unlocked, I think that one that was locked. We'll do the Abyss because that's a pretty cool level. Next. Oh man, this is classic. I can't say I haven't played this for a long time because I played this on emulator recently because it's a classic. I want that spell. Sometimes you get hit points for those things, so they're worth going after. But yeah, you do get spells. There you go, C. I don't know what that does. I've lost it already. That's weird. The thing about dropping crosses on the ladders is you're pretty much totally guaranteed to fuck up anything that follows you. Piss off, you bastards! Oh, that's a Oh man. I know. Sounds horrible, doesn't it? So. Get that spell. There's a trick you can do there to go out into the black area. Or show you. There we go. I use the spell protect. Oh, that's right. You can use them with the directional. Oh, I remember now. It's either you can use the keyboard or holding like the joystick right and pressing 5 and use protect or something. No. So yeah, that opened another level. Let's do something more harder. Let's try the pits of Gehenna. Whatever. This should be a hard one because it's like, you know, on the right side. But yeah, this game was a lot of fun. It's 2-player, so you could play through. And one of the funniest things ever is when you die, you collapse into like a little, you know, you just lying there dead. And when you're dead, there's like this like steam coming off you. It's like this little line doing like you stink, you know, like the dead smell. And then the coolest thing though in a 2-player game was all the other player had to do was touch you, and you'd come back to life. And you'd only get 10 hit points though, so if you got hit again, you'd go down again, and the player would have to save you again and all that, you know. But it was a lot of fun in 2-player game, a lot of fun. Oh, this level's hard. So you can see, this game doesn't fuck around. Look at that. I got fucked then. I pretty much guarantee they're not following me now. This thing's gonna fuck me up. Piss off. There we go. Alright. You gotta be careful with crosses. You can get stuck on them yourself, believe me. As much fun as they are to drop everywhere. Yeah, freeze, that's my favourite spell. Stops all the enemies in their tracks. There we go, I just used it by accident. Yeah. I accidentally used it on this screen. Look how many snakes there are. Oh, how good was I that screen? That was on purpose. There's my protect spell. There's the key. Oh man. Here's an example of getting stuck on your own crosses. That did an action right there. Alright. Get up that ladder, bitch. Look how long it is, I love it. So you can enter the screen from down there or up there. That's what I like about this game too. It has multiple points, which is cool. As you can see here. Yeah. Woohoo! So I could show you all the dungeons, but I'm not gonna. That's pretty much Realm of Impossibility. A great game. Lots of fun. Good 2-player action. Pretty much the idea is to dominate all levels, and yeah. What else can I say about it? Not much really more to say. It's a basic game, but it's a lot of fun. This is one of the games I was talking about that I said, you know, has shitty graphics. I wouldn't say they're shitty, but you know, compared to the last Ninja, they're shitty. You know, so I'd give this game probably, I don't know, 6 out of 10. 7 out of 10 because I had good 2-player action. So yeah, thanks for watching. Another Commodore 64 completely cool and classic review. of classic games.